Emojis have become a huge online cultural phenomena recently, and many companies are incorporating emojis in their interface design. If you go on Clubhouse or Notion, you can see emojis every now and then. However, design with emojis can be quite tricky. Here are a few things you should consider if you like emojis in your interface. First, think about the visually impaired. While emojis can be quite fun and cute on a button, they are particularly challenging for people with color blindness. Also, with 40% of the world's population remaining offline, emojis can be pretty difficult to interpret for newcomers to our online world. Second, try your emojis in bright and dark backgrounds. Companies like Apple and Google offer user emojis of different skin compositions. Still, an icon such as this can be challenging to read in dark mode, making it offensive to certain user groups. Always use neutral colors like this to avoid confusion. Last but not the least, you will need to make sure that your emoji can maintain the same meaning across different cultures. For example, this may indicate thank you to many Western users, but is equivalent of praying in several Asian countries. Check with your cross-culture advisor before you put a strange emoji in your interface. I hope this was helpful. Don't forget to visit our website at void.com. This is San. You are watching UX Tips at Void. See you in the next video.